What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. While I'm just taking you guys and showing you guys what I've paid for cars in the past and what I was able to sell these cars for, just until I can take you guys to the auction with me. Whenever the state approves my paperwork, man, I'm just waiting on the state. They're taking forever to approve my paperwork, so just bear with me, guys. But in this throwback video, guys, we got a 2010 Honda Civic. The Honda Civic had 150,000 miles, man. Very nice car as well, man. This was another one of my nicer cars that I thought that I could have sold for more money, but it didn't wind up happening like that. I just thought I could have got way more for it, even though it was some paint fading and everything, but it was a 2010, 150,000 miles on it. It did have a little body damage looking at it, but I still thought I could have got more. I paid $2,800. I sold it for $35. I thought, I don't know, man. But I did make profit, and I was happy with the profit. But I don't know. I just felt like, more people should have been, calling me on this car, and they really wasn't. I'm not sure if it was the time, because it wasn't tax time. But man, this car was good. As you can see, all the tires were good and everything. I know it was a little paint fade, but interior, it was that tan interior, but it was nice and clean. As you can see, if you know what I mean, I raised the mat up and everything was nice and clean. So I just thought I could have got more money for it. But I took the $3,500. I bought it for $28. So even over here, yeah, see, the mats were clean and everything. So yeah, man. So just let me know what you guys think. You guys think $3,500 was, selling it for $35 was too much? You guys just let me know for 2010. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, guys. Like I say, a lot of more content coming for you guys soon. See, I got some of my stuff in the trunk. Just let me know what you guys think about this deal, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next throwback. Peace.